Hi there, I'm Summer Marr, public educator with Largo Fire Rescue, inviting you and your family to our annual open house to celebrate Fire Prevention Week here at Largo Fire Station 41. It's going to be an action-packed day filled with fire engine rides, station tours, bay flight, and more. See a live extrication demo with the Jaws of Life, practice your skills and spray a real fire hose, and new this year is a home fire sprinkler live burn demonstration with Piper Fire Protection. Also new this year, we're kicking it up a notch with a Battle of the Barbecue cook-off. It's up to you and your taste buds to vote for your favorite Largo barbecue restaurant recipe. But wait, there's more. We'll have face painting, balloon animals, refreshments, and a special appearance from Marshall the Dalmatian Pup. So come join us at the free Largo Fire Rescue Open House at Station 41 on October 13th, where all donations received will benefit the Children's Burn Foundation of Florida.